here we have an elevator, and watch what happens when I open the door. Well, that's a bit of a fail. The door does not open all the way. It only opens about a third of the way, and that just shuts. Let's try that again. Still nothing. I mean, if I put my hand there, it doesn't shut on me, so I can at least still get in the elevator. But if I were any bigger, I probably wouldn't be able to get through this. So yeah. Even from the inside, now it doesn't even stay open. It just shuts like immediately. So if I put my hand on it though, it doesn't shut, so the door sensor still works. If I push it open manually, if it gets any further than halfway, then it does automatically open all the way. But the problem is it can't even get to halfway. And then if I do that, if I hit the call button midway while it's closing, it just stays there. So yeah, in other words, it has to get halfway before it finishes automatically opening by itself. Alright, let's go to another floor and see if the same problem happens. Let's go down to the basement. We're up on the roof. Let's see if it happens. It works. Huh. Alright. I think that'll be it.